Liposuction can be used to bring out the best in a lot of body shapes, but can it be used to accentuate different body shapes like an hourglass or a pear shape or an apple shape? So what do you think, Dr. Snyder? Is that something that can be done?
Of course. I mean, I think liposuction should always be individualized to each patient. It's sort of a ridiculous thought that the same procedure is going to be done to everybody anytime we do it. I mean, I think even in two very similar body types, we may not even do the same procedure because somebody may not want the same thing as somebody else. So I think that that it's definitely a procedure that's individualized every time we do it.
I agree with you, and it's important that point is not every person needs liposuction in a specific area. And, there's common areas that we treat, like the saddlebags, the hips, the inner and outer thighs. And liposuction is an important principle is that it's for localized fatty deposits. So someone that comes in with more of a pear shape may have a little excessive fat in their lateral thigh hip. So that's a focused, localized area that we can treat and make their whole overall shape still remain as a pear, which is very attractive, but at the same time kind of balance it, reduce it to a point where they're more comfortable with their figure.
That's right. I think, as you said, just refining small areas of their body, and liposuction shouldn't be confused with a weight loss procedure, as you said, that it's really something for fine-tuning shapes.
I agree, and this is where men come into play, and what we see more often now is this high-def liposuction. High-def liposuction is where we try to recreate that sculpted abdominal appearance like a six-pack. So men focus more on that flat, sculpted look with a reduction in the hips, whereas women want to reduce kind of the saddlebag area and the inner thigh area to make everything look very balanced. It's very important to be individualized and also at the same time address the areas where they have localized fat.
Agree. Yeah, I think, and you mentioned men, even women now are looking for some of this sculpted, very sculpted shape.
Right.
The fine etching that originally I think was, as you said, sought after by men, but now there are women that are looking for some of that as well.
All right. For the very latest on liposuction, visit theplasticsurgerychannel.com.